Hello, I'm E'zzati and I work as Grant Officer for Mudiad Meithrin. Today I will be sharing my 5 top tips for making grant. First, to read. Read about the funder and what the funds are for. This is because each fund has different aim and fits different criteria. Check that your group and project fit this criteria. Second, prepare. Make sure your governing documents are up to date and are regularly reviewed. Current policies, annual accounts, CIW and Charity Commission paperwork. Make sure your application on finance is transparent. Provide breakdowns such as plan and costs that have been taken into considerations. Be clear about what other funds you are getting from other funders. Third, explain. Your application should be written in simple language without any jargon or acronyms. Explain why this project is needed and explain why it is important, what you will do, how it will make a difference, and how it will help. State clearly what the fund will be spent on, example, salary, toys, or equipment. Explain how you will show that project is successful, example by providing third-party feedback. Fourth, ask for help. Most funding bodies are happy to provide guidance. It is important to ask questions to the funding bodies before making an application. Get a second opinion from a colleague. Proofread, spell check, and stick to specified formats for the presentation, punctuation, and grammar. This will make a good first impression. Fifth, keep a copy of your application. This can be used for a query bid. In addition, it can be used as a template for the next application. This saves time, energy, and cost. And finally, get your application ready. We are here to help. Diolch.